So this is a quick video explaining how to solve simultaneous equations by elimination. If we look at these two equations, in order to eliminate one of the variables, either the y or the x, we must have the same number in front of each variable. So either both the x's need to have the same number in front, or both the y's. Now as you can see, the y's have a 5 and a 3, and the x's have a 4 and a -1. So I think the easiest thing here is to get a 4 in front of the other x. And to do that, what we need to do is we need to multiply that whole equation by 4. So I'm going to call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply equation 2 by 4. So I have to multiply the whole equation. So 3y times 4 is going to be 12y. Minus x times 4 is going to be minus 4x, and 1 times 4 is just 4. So that's my new equation. The other equation, equation 1, I'm just going to keep it the same, and I'm going to write it underneath. So 5y plus 4x equals 13. Then what I'm going to do, because I've now got the same number in front of the x terms, one of them's negative and one of them's positive. So that means if I add those two together, they're going to cancel each other out and we're going to get 0. So in fact what I'm going to do is I'm going to add both of the equations. So if we add 12y plus 5y, we'll get 17y. Minus 4x plus 4x is 0. And 4 plus 13 is 17. So in other words, 17y is equal to 17, which means that y must be equal to 1. 17 divided by 7. I can then go back now that I've worked out what y is, and use one of the original equations to work out what x is. So I'm going to use equation 2. So I'm going to substitute y equals 1 into equation 2. So to do that, I'll get 3y, now y is 1, so 3y is going to be 3, minus x equals 1. And 3 take away what number gives you 1? It must be 2. So x must be 2. So my final solution is x equals 2 and y equals 1. And it's normal math notation to put those in like a curly bracket.